Hi guys! Good morning! Hello! Good morning guys! Selfie na lang muna. So good morning! This is our first day gala here in Switzerland.
Ikaw maano yung
Hello! Hello! Good morning! Welcome to Interlaken.
The famous Korean series na
Croissant!
Ganyan naman building sa Luxembourg.
Guys! Ang ganda ko! Guess what? Where we are?
Dinawi na lang.
Yan!
Guess what? Dinawi na lang.
Actually, nawawala kami. Hindi namin kung nasa Switzerland ba kami or nasa jungle na kami ng wrong turn. Kasi Diyos ko, nakakatakot! Nakakatakot! And this is all about the beautiful place of Interlaken. And now, guess where we are going next? We are going to Isiltwalk. See you there. Ciao.